No warning, no explanation, just silence. It's your money, but it doesn't move. And nothing illegal just happened. You wake up. You check your bank app. Your paycheck is there. You tap to pay rent. The wheel spins and stops. Your heart speeds up. What would you do if your paycheck froze today? Not vanished, not stolen, just unreachable. Look how calm the app looks. Soft numbers, smooth animation, friendly green. Zara sits at her kitchen table. Morning light cuts through the blinds. Her phone glows. Paycheck received. Relief for a breath. Her daughter coughs in the next room. Zara schedules the rent transfer. The wheel spins. And spins. Her fingers tighten. Her heartbeat gets loud. She calls her manager. Payroll's due Thursday, he says. Are we good? Zara smiles into the phone. I think so, she says. Because saying otherwise feels like admitting defeat. The transfer never clears. Phones ring. Suppliers call. An employee texts, how long can we wait? Zara watches the day dissolve into logistics and worry. Zara loses a business. A landlord's voicemail lights up her phone. A terse message. Call me today or I'll start eviction proceedings. She sees a missed call she doesn't return. No resolution, no bailout, just more empty minutes stacking up. Where is your money, actually? It's not in a vault with your name on it. It's not a pile of bills you can crack open. You give the bank $1,000. They don't lock it away. They promise to give it back. They lend most of it, say $900, to someone else. Mortgages, car loans, business credit. That fuels growth. That's fractional reserve banking. Monday, delay. Wednesday, limits. Friday, choices disappear. Your app shows $1,000. Your access might be $0 right now. This isn't a conspiracy, it's math and contracts. Quick note, banking rules differ by country. Check your bank agreement and the verified sources in the description to see how this applies where you live. Your deposit becomes the bank's liability. You are an unsecured creditor. Buried in the agreement you scrolled past is a sentence that matters more than your balance. It says the bank may delay, limit, or restrict access to your funds to manage risk, liquidity, or legal obligations. You didn't negotiate it. You didn't initial it. You tapped, I agree. That's the moment the money stopped being legally yours and became a promise you're allowed to request back. Money doesn't vanish first. Access does. Access fails quietly. No sirens, no headlines. Just spinning wheels and polite error messages. The system doesn't break all at once. It narrows slowly, methodically. First, transfers delay. Then limits appear. Then approvals take longer. By the time people panic, choices are already gone. Freezes happen while the system is still alive, not after it's dead. James works at a pharmacy. He opens the register. A notice, transfers temporarily unavailable. Invoices pile up. A mother waits for medicine. He locks the register early. He makes an internal choice, pay the supplier or cover staff payroll. He chooses staff. The back shelf gets bare next day. Out of stock where insulin usually sits. The window gets a temporary closed early sign. Small consequences, immediate downstream damage. Not rare. Not personal. Systemic. If a bank fails, payouts follow a strict order. Secured creditors first. Bondholders next. Depositors near the back. FDIC insurance, created after the Great Depression, protects up to $250,000 per depositor, per bank, per account type. That safety exists because past collapses made it necessary. But safe doesn't mean available. Safe is a promise to recover value over time. Available is being able to use cash now. If you can't access money within 24 hours, treat it as not access money. You were told your money is locked in a vault. What actually happens is most of it is digital and lent out. You were told deposit insurance means instant access. What actually happens is it's a recovery process that takes time. You were told banks can't freeze accounts without cause. What actually happens is they can, and sometimes they legally do. Instant app UI. Multi-day legal reality. Quiet irony. Do this. Read your bank agreement. Do this. Spread large balances across institutions. Do this. Split money by purpose. Keep 1 to 3 months instantly accessible. Do this. If a transfer can't complete within 24 hours, act while you still can. Micro habit. Set a weekly 5-minute check on Friday mornings, screenshot largest balances, and note account titles. Calendar action. Mark the first of every month to confirm insured limits and ownership type. Remember, speed beats safety in the short term. Plan to convert slow instruments into quick access long before you need them. Most people don't lose money first. They lose time. They lose choices. Headlines come later. By the time they arrive, access is already rationed. What will future you do when the first voicemail lands? Will future you have choices? Access disappears before the headline does.